Hey guys, if you are JBL Quantum 110, these are the settings that you can try and it will like possibly be really good for you. So 31 Hz plus 6 dB, 62 Hz plus 7 dB, 125 Hz plus 3 dB, 250 Hz plus 3 dB, 500 Hz plus 3 dB, 1 kHz minus 3 dB, 2 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 8 plus 4, 16 plus 8. Now when you can look here also on these, so 31 plus 5, 62 plus 2, 125 plus 2, 250 plus 4, 500 plus 5, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 8 plus 9, 16 plus 10. So I use 30 volume. So try this out, like these two, and maybe primarily one of it is going to be like work great for you. So I just want to make this like really quick video on what are the best settings that you can try for JBL. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and have a great day and goodbye.